Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic LG Flash Tool. Let's start with the first topic. What is LG Flash Tool? LG Flash Tool is a flashing software developed by the LG Corporation for the LG devices. It is one of the best flashing tool available in the market. We will see the features of the LG Flash Tool further in this video. This tool is very helpful in flashing the LG devices. If you use an LG device, you want to flash your device, then you should only use LG Flash Tool. Let's move on to the features of LG Flash Tool. The features are, it has a very simple UI. This tool is very user friendly. This tool is free to use. This tool does not require any PC suit to work. You can just plug in the device and start working with it. Language preference is also available. System requirements. Your gadget ought to be Windows-based PC. To run this product consummately, you will likewise require the Visual C++ libraries. There are some compressed records in the bundle. You will require unzipping programming, a USB link to associate the Android gadgets and the PC, USB debugging ought to be turned on your Android gadget. You have to boot the Android gadget in the download mode, 1 GB of extra room on your PC. Next is installation. In this area, we will figure out how to install LG Flash Instrument. The steps are: download the product from the site, extract the file from the download bundle, run the setup file, it will launch the product. Next is how to flash using the LG Flash Tool. In this section, we are going to talk about how to flash using this software. First, reboot the Android device in the download mode as we have told above. Once you have done all this, connect the Android device with the computer using a USB cable. Launch the LG Flash Tool. Load the KDZ file in the download package in the select KDZ file option. You can now see two options, namely normal flash and CSC flash. The normal select will only the operating system, leaving the data in the system, while the CSC flash will erase the storage. Follow the on-screen command to complete the flash. Once the flash gets complete, you will get a message. Remove the device. Other important steps. The primary thing is you need to enable developer mode on your gadget. At that point, you need to open the bootloader or the OEM. You additionally need to enable the USB troubleshooting. To do this, follow the steps. First, go to your gadget settings. Second, quest for the designer mode and tap on it. Third, turn the designer mode on. Fourth, next you need to look for OEM, turn it on. Fifth, further you need to look for USB investigating, turn it on too. Last but not the least, conclusion. We have discussed the LG Flash Tool, its establishment procedure. We have likewise perceived how to flash utilizing the product. There are consequences of flashing the devices. It may harm the device, your data will be lost, and many more things. Do not advise to flash your any device. If you are facing any sort of problem in your device, contact the device customer service. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.